Hello guys, I am Courtney Manikanta. In this project or tutorial, we will learn how to make a project with ultrasonic sensor and buzzer. Before going to start, I would like to say that please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for which you will get a notification as I publish my any video. So without any delay, let's get started. In order to make this project, the required equipments are 1. Arduino Uno, which is looks like this. Arduino Uno. It may be go through Arduino Nano also. Okay. For this time, I chosen Arduino Uno. Breadboard, ultrasonic sensor, which have ground pin, echo pin, trig pin, and VCC. Buzzer, which have positive side and negative side. The shorter pin is negative side and the larger pin is positive side. As you can see, this is mentioned already as it is positive and as the larger pin. Okay. Cable which is used to connect the Arduino Uno to the laptop or PC, and few jumper wires and some LEDs. So let's get started how to make it. First of all, I have taken ultrasonic sensor. I have to inject this on breadboard like this, and after that I have to some net connections to from ultrasonic sensor to Arduino Uno. So the connections are, we have to connect the VCC pin from VCC pin to Arduino Uno 5 volt, and the echo pin to 10 number. The echo pin to 10 number. 10th number of Arduino Uno. 10th number of Arduino Uno. And trig pin to 9th pin of Arduino Uno. Trig pin. Pin to 9th number. Sorry for delay. Trig pin to 9th number. 9th number of Arduino Uno. And finally, the ground pin to the ground pin of ultrasonic sensor to ground pin of Arduino Uno. Okay, this is how the connection between ultrasonic sensor and Arduino Uno will take place. Don't worry, I will provide the circuit diagram in the description line. Okay, let's see the connection. Let's see the connection of a buzzer pin. Okay, buzzer pin. As I said previously, the buzzer pin has a positive side and negative side. The positive side is a larger one, and the negative side is a shorter one. Okay, let's connect this. We have to connect the positive side of buzzer pin to 13th number of Arduino board. Okay, done. And the negative side of buzzer pin we have to connect in the ground pin of Arduino. Okay, I will telling again. The ground pin of ultrasonic sensor to the ground pin of ultrasonic sensor. Sorry, the ground pin of ultrasonic sensor. The ground pin of ultrasonic sensor to the ground pin of Arduino, and echo pin of ultrasonic sensor to 10th pin of Arduino, and the trig pin of ultrasonic sensor to 9th pin of Arduino, and VCC will be connected to the 5 volt of Arduino, and the positive side of buzzer pin will connect to the 13 number pin, and the negative side will be connected to the ground pin of Arduino. Okay, let's see. This is must connection, and let's see the coding part which we have to upload in the Arduino Uno. Here we go. We are jumping to my laptop screen, and let us take it to my code. Okay, I have copied. Okay, I copied. And paste it on my Arduino IDE. Pasting it, and let us verify the code. Okay, as you can see, the code is absolutely correct, and let us load the code to our Arduino board. As you can see, I am connecting this to my laptop. Okay, and uploading it. It is uploaded. Okay, the board setup is ready. As you can see, I have uploaded the code into the Arduino Uno, and let us checking the our project is run successfully or not. As you can see, Okay. Okay, I have set it. I have set it the uh, limit limit distance as 20 cm. If we uh, if we modify the limits to any constant value, that may be 100 cm, 1 meter, then the range will be changed. Okay, as of now, I have limited the distance, address distance as 20 cm, and let us check it's working absolutely. Okay, let us shift the setup into our door our aim is to when a person passes through the door, it can alert or causes a beep sound. So let us shift to the our setup to door. Okay, I have moved my properties or setup to my doorstep and fixed that ultrasonic sensor by double side tap. Okay, I am fixing the ultrasonic sensor at my doorstep. So whenever and I changed a little bit property, that is in previously I have set the safety distance as 20 cm in order to show you people, but as my doorstep centimeter is 50 centimeter, so I have modified the code as 50 centimeter. Okay, so let us check. Whenever a person comes to my room, it alerts a beep or not. Okay, okay, it's done perfectly. Thanks for watching, and please avoid that I am a new YouTuber, so that's why little bit scared in my communication skill. Please avoid it and do subscribe. Thank you.